Damn you, UN! You're providing less protection for Israel than the Bengals offensive line provided for Carson Palmer this year! Oh, hello! I'm done protesting. Let's get to my apartment. Let's start the show. I'm very excited for Super Bowl Sunday. For me, it's like Purim on steroids. Okay, so now I have to decide who am I going to root for? The Steelers or the Packers? Being a good Israeli, I'm going to use a rational system of points. Because we are not ruled by our crazy passions like the Arab Street. Alright, now let's get started. On the Packers side, quarterback Aaron Rodgers recently discovered that he has a Jewish relative, so he celebrated Hanukkah this year. That's wonderful, they get 4 points. Now if I see him at the Yom Kippur services with an empty stomach next year, I give him the double digits, but for now, you should be happy with 4 points. Okay, the Steelers side, their quarterback Ben Roethlisberger is a 3-time accused rapist. Not so good. On the other hand, his name sounds Jewish. 3 points for that. Now Packers fans are called the cheeseheads, which is wonderful because cheese is usually kosher, so they get 6 points. Now this is unlike those damn Philly fans with their unkosher Philly cheesesteak, disgusting. On the Steelers side, safety Troy Polamalu has the same hair as beautiful Israeli actress Mili Avital. So they get 5 points. Let's just say that for a certain generation of Israelis, there were some sticky Torah pages during our Bar Mitzvah years, okay, because of Mili Avital. I'll leave it at that, alright? So right now we have the Packers at 10 points and the Steelers at 8 points. Now I want to take a moment and talk about some current events going on. You see, the future of the Middle East is about as certain as the Redskins QB situation. Now, say what you want about Mubarak. Not a great guy, but you have to respect that he kept order and discipline. I see him as the Bill Belichick of the Middle East. So now, bringing it back to the Super Bowl, we have to ask who is the underdog here? And it's the Steelers. And with all this chaos going on in the Middle East, who is a bigger underdog than Israel? 100 points to the Steelers! The Steelers win my affections! Go Steelers!